Hey everybody, it's Becky. I just wanted to hop on here and say to you guys that I really appreciate all of your support over the last year. Getting to know you guys is so fun, and it is one of the best parts about YouTube as a job is getting to make videos for you guys and getting excited and wondering what you guys are going to think about the videos and hearing your feedback and talking to you back and forth in the comments on YouTube and on my Instagram. It's just really fun. I've loved getting to know you guys, and I hope you have enjoyed this last year of getting to know me. And I just want to say Merry Christmas. I hope you guys have an amazing Christmas and an amazing New Year's. I am not going to be having any other videos this week because it is a holiday week, and I just really want to take the time to enjoy my family. But I will be back next week with all new videos to get us ramped up for a brand new year. I'm really excited about 2019. I love New Year's. Not because we go anywhere and do anything, but because I love the fresh feeling and the fresh start of a new year. So I really hope that the videos that I have made for you over the last 12 months have been helpful. I hope I've been able to share some tips or tricks or advice or anything that has made your life better, because that is why I do YouTube videos. I do it because I love it, and I do it because I love sharing with you guys and trying to help people to find the joy in their life, or to clean, or to be healthy and fit, or whatever the video is about. I really love making videos for you guys. So thank you for being there to watch and supporting me. I hope you have a great holiday, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.